Is the Instant Pot duo worth it?
Yes, it is.
It sure is. And today, Sarah and I are going to share with you why today you should get yours. Hi friends, thanks so much for stopping by our home today. Today, Sarah and I are going to share with you one product we think you should get. What is that, Sarah?
The Instant Pot.
It is the Instant Pot. If you have not gotten one, today is the day to get one, and we'll share that with you. If you're interested in healthy food recipes or helpful kitchen gadgets, subscribe to our channel and hit the
bell.
And that way you won't miss one of our episodes to help you with your family. You may ask yourself,
do I really need an Instant Pot?
And our answer is yes. We think it's a great kitchen tool that you can use, and if you've been wondering about getting it, today is the day to get it. Amazon Prime 2018 has a special deal on the Instant Pot Duo. There are 3 different sizes of Instant Pot that you can get. They are what, Sarah?
The 3-quart, the 6-quart, and the 8-quart.
That's right, but the best deal on the Instant Pot Duo today on Amazon is for the 6-quart. The 6-quart is even cheaper than the 3-quart today. For $58.99, you're able to get that Instant Pot Duo 6-quart. That is recommended for 4 to 6 people. So it works great for the average family. And if you have smaller people in your household than that, you can either get leftovers, that'll be great for later on in the week, or you can just cook smaller amounts. If you are interested in an Instant Pot Duo for your family, where can they find the link, Sarah?
Down below the video.
You sure can. And if you click that link, it will help Kitchen Time with Dad so that we can continue to produce these videos to be a help for you. Thanks so much for watching our episode today. Tell us in the comments below, what is your favorite feature about the Instant Pot if you have one? But if you don't, what has been keeping you from getting it? Remember, that Instant Pot will help you with healthy food for happy families. Thanks for stopping by our house today. Instant Pot. Helpy. If you